There was a particular broadcast made by Nnamdi Kanu about 10 years ago, foreseeing the negative consequences of all these cattle headers transporting cattle on land from one community to other, to one state to the other. When he said this, a lot of people hated him. The reason why they hate Nnamdi Kanu is because of the broadcast. But the shocking thing now is this: Nigeria is now running around. The issue is now tearing Senate on how to solve the same issue that made them to hate Nnamdi Kanu for so many years ago.
A bill by Senator Titus Zam from Benue State is proposing ranching as the sole viable alternative for cattle breeding to end header-farmer clashes nationwide.
My distinguished colleagues, now is the time to bring about a law to stop open grazing. It is old-fashioned, hazardous, burdensome, and must be discarded. The bill therefore proposes ranching as the only viable alternative for cattle breeding in Nigeria.
Citizens of Nigeria, they can move to North Central, Northwest, Northeast, South, and establish their business without...
They can do so, but not with AK-47.
Good evening, everyone. Please, this video is not for everyone. I know that a lot of persons will not find this video funny and people might not like this video, but that will not prevent me not to say the truth that I know. Now, there is a national disgrace that is going on the Senate floor. I think it has torn the Senate apart in 2 consecutive sittings. And what could that be? That is the open grazing law. The law that they are proposing to ban the open grazing, that led all these Fulani headers to carry cattle from one community to the other, from one state to the other. In that way, they will pass through people's farm, they will graze down your farm, you can't do nothing. If you do anything, they will fight you, they can even stab you to death, they rape people, they kill people, they do all sorts of things. Now, the issue is this: on the Senate floor of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, a bill was proposed, and the whole world was watching Nigerian Senate, the Nigerian senators to say. They were discussing the right of cattle, why people are dying in IDP camps, why terrorism is almost eating up the nation, inflation is high. They are discussing the issue about the right of cattle, whether they should allow cattle to go anywhere in the country or not. That is a shameful thing, but that is not the topic I want to speak today. Now, far back to 10-11 years ago, I was listening to Nnamdi Kanu. That was then old broadcast. Nnamdi Kanu was talking about the issue of these headers. How these headers will cause insecurity all over Nigeria. How these headers must be bound not to come to the southeast. If they want to come, they should come and do business, do ranching, sell your cow. But don't come and begin to transport them through bushes and everything, because these people, he said, they are going to continue to terrorize the people around.
Tell me the country in the world aspiring to be a member of the UN Security Council where you move cattle from place to place. Are you people well at all? You so-called Nigerians, are you normal in the brain? I'm asking you a simple question. Show me a country that aspires to be in the 21st century moving cattle from place to place. Tell me they're grazing. Which country is that? Please tell me. All of you don't have any shame. When you have people, an entire presidency coming out to defend a very primitive, archaic agricultural practice, then you know you embrace serious mess. You are in one almighty trouble, I'm telling you. People are in a mess. The Holland that you get your pig milk from, do they move cattle from Rotterdam to Amsterdam? I'm asking you a simple question. But they produce the pig milk that you're drinking every blessed day. Why can't Fulani produce pig milk in Sokoto? Why can't they produce Carnation milk in Kanu? They have the cattle. Before the white man came, did you see any Fulani in your forest? All these people talking rubbish about movement of cattle and movement of... I'm asking you, before Britain came and handed over Nigeria to Fulani?
When he was saying this, people were thinking, or people perceived that, oh, Nnamdi Kanu just hate these people. Nnamdi Kanu don't know what he was saying. Nnamdi Kanu don't want Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu want to divide Nigeria. That was what people were saying. But after 10 years, what Nnamdi Kanu said is now causing trouble in the Senate floor. I think, see, if the government hears some things, government should not react immediately. They should take it into hypothesis think about what you just hear, because what I'm saying is that a lot of things Nnamdi Kanu said, it has already come to pass. A lot of people might not like what I'm saying, but I don't care, because when you are too tribalistic, you don't reason to the ground. You don't allow your mind to tell you the truth, because you have accepted what you call truth in your mind that is not the truth. I can remember that very night. It was not a live broadcast. I was watching this replay. He has finished live broadcast, and Nnamdi Kanu was saying